Yo, what's up traders? I hope you're all doing well. Today I want to show something interesting. Basically, we've been like focused on the twisted level strategy. It's very much the focus for this channel moving forward. But also a lot of people seem to like the Doji strategy. A lot of people keep joining in from like a video I've made quite a while ago. So I figured let's see if I can actually, combine the two. Combine two things that we really like in this, or that I really like, um, that are dojis and the Fibonacci retracement. So I've been doing it's very limited testing, but you know me, I like to throw it out there early so you guys can test it and like we can come to conclusions together, make it better, and yeah, potentially find something that's very useful moving forward. If you like this sort of content, leaving a like, subscribe, comment, very much appreciated, and join the Discord. So I've tested 15 trades, not too much. I tested 1 month. It's basically 1 month, uh, and yeah, 15 trades. So pretty nice average amount of trades. 35% profit, so a lot of profit. 80% win rate. Yeah, a lot of positive stats. As you can see, it's basically 1 month because like I started on the second week of April and ended on. Oh, I'm going another year forward. Yeah, started on the second week of April and ended on the start of the second week of May. So yeah, I'm gonna go over all the trades. I'm gonna show how I took the trades, what I look for, and yeah, hopefully there's something valuable. I played it back, so the balance is back at 0, so we can sort of go over them together. So we do the same thing as we do with the regular strategy. We draw the Fibonacci retracement top to bottom on the 1 hour time frame. We like the 0.595 level, basically the 618 level, but we like to enter a little bit earlier. But for this time, we actually wait for like a doji-ish candle. So let's go to the 15 minutes. Let's see. There's actually a doji here. And let's see if I took it off this one. I think I took it off the rejection candle. Let's see. I think I actually took it off this rejection candle. So basically rejection candle, you'll see more often than not it will be a doji, but this was the first trade I took and it's like, I think it's like a hammer. So let's go back one and set up the order. So basically waiting for a strong rejection candle, and my preference is a doji, but if you like, for instance, bullish engulfing, or you like hammers or all that sort of stuff, you can try it as well, It's basically, it will be like a pro trend strategy where the Fibonacci will sort of give you mark up sort of the discount zone where you can start to buy from. Um, for instance, in this case, like under the 0.5 level, we're interested in buys basically. Um, and above it, we don't really do anything. So we're trading pro trend. We trade in like where a logical retracement range is. So now I can remove this arrow because whenever I go to a different time frame, for some reason it makes the trades disappear. So I kind of I needed to mark them like this so I didn't miss any trades. So we do the same thing, right? Like we have a new high, we mark it up from the low, and then let's go to the lower time frame so we don't miss the trade. Let's see, maybe it's on the 15, I don't know. So here, as you can see, it went into the 0.5, 0.595 almost, but under the 0.5 area for sure. So let's see. And here we have the doji, as you can see. Nice doji. So decided to enter. And often with dojis, there's like an instant strong reaction. The way I like doji, sometimes you won't see me take the doji because like the doji is basically rejecting, like let's say you're looking for a bullish move, right? Like you don't want the doji to be after like a bullish candle because then the doji is rejecting that bullish candle. That's how I see doji. So here it's after a bearish candle. So then for me, it's like, okay, it's rejecting the bearish move. The first bearish candles is also already like a little bit weak. So then I'm interested in the trade, right? Let me do it like this. It's a little bit cleaner. So yeah, second win. And the RR is pretty good as well. I didn't show yet. 2R here, 3R here. Whenever it makes sense, I just get the stop loss a little bit tighter, and I can target like the highs, you know? Like I don't want to target the full high often. Just want to target like close to the high. So let's continue on the 15 minutes for a little bit. And then we're gonna mark up the area on the 1 hour. So here, as we can see, we sort of shift the structure, right? Like we moved to bearish. So I think I drew it up like this, or maybe I drew it up. Let's see, might have drew it up from here, but let's just do it like this. Oh, it's even lower. Okay, so I drew it up like this. And then as we can see, the 0.595, we've entered sort of the 0.50595 area. So from here, we would be looking for entries. And let's see, I think on the 30 minutes, yeah, on the 30 minute, we have like a beautiful doji here. So I used like the 30 minute and the 15 minute and the 1 hour for like the dojis. Why did it? Okay, so then here I entered. It's beautiful, right? Like it's literally, like if we would have had our stop loss of 0.75, for instance, we would have been stopped out. But right now we can tell, okay, there's a rejection, beautiful rejection doji. It's like in between the zone of the 0.595, 0.75. For me, it's like in a downtrend. So for me, it's like a very high probability trade. And as you can see, we get like a nice 2.5x. So that's another trade we took. It happens that sometimes you will miss trades, and also it will add difficulty to the trading because we need to, you know, be active behind the chart to, you know, see the rejection. I'm gonna probably build an indicator that will basically tell us if there's a doji. So it will give us like an alarm, which will make it easier. I've used it for the other strategy as well, so I'll probably just get that again, get that fixed again. So yeah, if you're interested in that, join the Discord and I'll see if I can fix it. Let's see, where did I enter? Did I already enter? Oh yeah, okay, I entered on the 1 hour doji. So sometimes we enter off the 1 hour doji. Yeah, so as you can see, beautiful doji, same thing, right? Like here it was on the half hour, as you can see. And here it is on the 1 hour, same thing, right? It's like a beautiful trade, 3.5x. So let's enter. And same result. So this basically what, yeah, this basically the strategy. I don't think I need to show like a lot more. I can showcase this for 1 sec. Sometimes you, like if you see like an uptrend, you can also just enter of a doji like inside of a, you know, like this doji, this one. This is what I explained, right? Like after a bullish candle, the doji is rejection of the bullish candle, so most likely there will be a bearish move after, right? Like it's just very logical. But then I think there's like a doji here, and after this doji in a bullish trend, you can also like this basically the older, like the old strategy. You would just enter like this, you know, something like this, and as you can see, you would get a nice little win. Like very simple as well. Here's another doji, you know. Like you wouldn't take this one because it's a bearish doji, but the bullish one you can take, same thing. So I really like dojis, as you can tell. But this gives you sort of an area where you can enter. It will make sure that you trade it pro trend. So yeah, I think this people that liked the previous doji strategy will very much like it, and people that like the Fibonacci retracement strategy will probably also like it. So yeah, it's very limited testing, but I like to throw it out there early so you guys can test it and share the results, you know, and might be onto something, maybe not. The results like very limited, but like the chance of this, like losing 35 trades in a row right now is extremely low, of course. Like the chances are just extremely low. And also taken like very big risk reward ratio somewhere, like I think this went up to Like I can show it real fast. This went up to, so I was quite transparent in it in a way where I would have normally target 8R here, but it did hit like 4.7, but I took it as a loss. So like just to show you that I'm kind of transparent with it, because I wanted to target the lows. So I really figured it would hit this. So I went for a big TP, and sometimes it doesn't hit. Whenever you're trading this live, probably you want to secure some profit. So maybe you would you probably walk away with a nice gain here as well. So the win rate might actually even be a little bit higher. But yeah, also 80% is very high. So on the other hand, in another test it might be lower, but it's looking like it's profitable. It combines two very like it actually combines three very strong things. It combines like the pro trend, so you're always trading pro trend. It's like does the Fibonacci retracement, so you have like the levels of the Fibonacci retracement in your corner, like as a confluence, and then it adds like very strong rejection candles to mark up, you know, the potential creation of like the new higher low or the lower high, whatever you're looking for. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you're all having a lovely weekend, had a good trading week, and yeah, I'll hopefully see you in the next one. And let me know what you think. It's early on, so yeah. I just hope that you guys like it. Thank you. Bye bye.